Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a strong year. Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless heights. Ratio to profitable mindset every time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless height. Wait till you're through. Profitable mindset every time.
Good morning, KJO. Oluwadamilare. Good morning. Oluwadare. Good morning. Thank you all for joining. Let's keep tapping. Let's get to 2K likes. We have a lot of work to do today. All right, babe.
Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a strong year. Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won.
Let's stop.
Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless heights. Ratio to profitable mindset.
Kai. Can't drop it. Let's stop. 2K likes.
Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your
Let's keep going. Let's stop.
One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near.
Let's stop.
Change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless heights. Wait till you're through. Profit
All right, 2.3K. Let's go.
every time. Hearts don't lie. Keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays. Let your winners run.
Let's keep tapping. Bello Junior,
The
good morning,
race
sir.
ain't over
How are you doing?
till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless heights. Right to your truth, profitable mindset. Every time.
All right, good morning, my family, my brothers, sisters. On YouTube, good morning. Let us share the live stream and let's keep tapping. Click on the like button and share the live stream. If you're on the YouTube, on TikTok here, let's keep sharing. Don't just tap, just keep sharing. Let us try to grow our audience. Let us help ourselves, all right? By sharing the live stream to your friends. All right, so here we go today. Thank God for yesterday. And thank God for this week. And I pray that this week is going to end a profit. As today is Thursday. And are we ready? Are we prepared for the losses for today? Okay, so first thing first, if you can hear me, let me hear you say yes. If you can hear me loud and clear, let me hear you say yes. If you can hear me loud and clear, let me hear you say yes. All right. Okay, thank you. So let us check the updates, what we have actually done for this week. All right. So first thing first, let us check the trade that we took for this week, which is here. As you can see, completed trades 1, 2, 3. Can you see them here? So let us open this one and see before we go into today's business. So here we had a nice tip here. All right, please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. We have a nice trade here, which is giving us 2.4. We have 2.4 here. Let's check this one. We have 2.4. The next one was V100. This V100 we had SL. Okay, we first had break even, then the second entry give us SL, as you can see. So we had SL on this guy. So we have 1.4 in profit. So let's check this one. 150. This 150 give us what? SL. We had SL here. So we have just 4 point something, not up to a 1, not up to 1. Then I think we took a trade on is it V75. Let us check. All right, yeah. So we had 3.18 right here, which is about 3.5 thereabouts in profit. So we have 30% in profit in the bag at the moment. So these are the trade that is running now. Market trigger us, I think this morning. So we had sell limit pending on that here on the TDL. This guy one is running now 75. Then jump 100 trigger all yesterday. We got triggered yesterday on jump. So here we go. I think we are on the move now. I love the way market respects this support area. I love the way it respects it. So I think it's on the move now. This is the second one. These are the running trades. We have 75 1S right here. We have 75 1S, which is running well as well, as you can see. It's running well as well. Then V25. Let's keep tapping. V25. What do we have here? Okay, market is on our drawdown, but with you, I'm seeing it. I'm seeing this guy pushing up though. Okay, but market is still on our entry point right there. Then step index that was on our drawdown yesterday, I think is back in profit now. All right, very good. It was on our drawdown yesterday. Now I think we're back in profit. So let's see how far we can go. Then this last one, VTNS, that we took yesterday, that we used the fib level, that I told you we'll be using the fib level. Okay, you see that market nearly take us out on this level. All right, because our SL, we put the if you remember when I marked the fib level like this, so we are into, I think, about 5 trades or so that is running now, or 6. As you can see, market came to this 7.8 and we put our SL beneath it. So lucky for us, the market did not take us out before pushing. So let me go to daily time frame. So these are the trade that we have that is running. Okay, and this is TDR strategy. This is TDR. So I'll be telling my guys to do break even on this guy now. So let me look at the targets here. Let me, if you can put our targets here. Let me see. Yeah, we'll be getting 1 to, okay, 1 to 4. This is V10S. Let me tell my guys to do break even on this guy. Do you know the reason why I said so? Because this level the market is, okay, I don't want a situation the market will get to this level and it's going to reject. But on our MT5, market has actually broken this level. Market has broken this level to the upside. So I hope this guy should just continue pushing up. So it's better we just do our break even. And the market is likely to give us another entry, which is not going to be valid again. All right, because this candle was Wednesday and this candle is Thursday. So if the candle close bullish today, we'll be having another TDR setup, but this TDR setup is not going to be valid because we cannot take trade on Friday. We will expect market to come and tap us in on Friday, which is not going to happen, right? So we'll be doing break even right now on this guy. So far, market has, okay, no, this is not TDR. Yeah, I remember this is not TDR, but we're gonna be doing break even here. Okay, because of that reason. You understand? Because of that reason. Because of this level. So the market will not push it back. Where's break even here? BE. Okay. So let me quickly tell my guys V10S. And let me quickly do my own as well. V10S. Okay. Please, let's stop. If you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. And if you want to join our VIP is $20. Here we go. This is the trade. Reply. Do your break even now. Do your break even now. All right, so it has been posted. Do your break even right now. All right. So if you're on the live stream yesterday, you know we all took this trade together yesterday. So now, the business for today, we are not going to take any single trade again today, but I will analyze market. Anything you want me to analyze? Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, and you too, sir.
Fine. You said you're on V75. Has V75 triggered?
Yes.
Let me see, please. Let me see the setup for V75.
Okay.
Probably my own has not triggered.
You didn't use the price, the main price.
I use the main price. That's what I've checked. That's why I'm saying that.
Look at it now. It has triggered now.
Oh, yeah. It's another one that I use.
You know, this is TDL. It has triggered. Just check the price, the entry price.
Like that.
Sir? This is the entry price.
Instead of me to put 1, I put 2.
Oh.
Where that 51 is 2 that I put there.
Oh, okay.
It's not like I noticed it.
Oh.
That's I was wondering why when they said it triggered.
It don't trigger. You can enter manually. It's not
And
that.
it has gone back.
No, it's not. No, no, no,
Let me
Abba.
see 15 minutes.
You
Let me
can.
see 15.
15 minutes, okay.
Let me see 15 minutes. Let me see 15 minutes.
This is 15 minutes. It's dropping, so it's still good to enter.
It's not. It has not gone back.
It has not gone for. That's what I'm saying.
Enter from there.
You can enter from there.
No problem. I will do that.
All right. So today, look at the trade that we are now. We have about how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're not going to add any position except the pending order that we have. Now let us go into our pending orders. We had this pending order on V50. So obviously this is a missed trade. This is a missed trade. This is a missed trade. We had a missed trade here and we have a missed trade here. 2 positions. Okay, you know I said yesterday that from here market is going to be dropping and market is actually dropping. So we are going to be deleting this pending order obviously, but I'm going to wait till the end of the day so that we're going to delete. Then BTC, like we were expecting market to come to our entry, market did not. Okay, as you can see, so it's giving us another opportunity for entry. So market did not come to tap us in on this BTC, but we had another opportunity. Let's go to daily. It's giving us a TDR setup here for another position. Like I said, you know, I said it yesterday that this TDR market has tapped the other block and is pushing up. This is our TDR setup here, and this is another TDR setup. This guy was Tuesday and this guy was Wednesday. This is Tuesday and this is Wednesday. This was what formed on Saturday and this is Sunday. So it was giving us double opportunity. This first opportunity, market used the other block. Let's go to 4 hours. You see, like I explained yesterday, but I told you that BTC love to use a key level like this. So I expect market to come back here, but it did not. Can you see the way market tapping here? It pushed up to this level. It did a pullback, creating another TDR setup. So this is another TDR now. All right, yeah, this is another TDR. So I expect market to just push down. Once I have a rejection, we are going to do this one manually. We are going to engage this trade with a rejection, not aggressive. You understand? You know, this is BTC. Assuming is Synthetix, we just do a pending order there. So wait for market to come back in here. Then we apply our TDR from here. If market can come back, at least we'll be getting about how many out. Let me see. Let us assume we take our buy from here. Our SL is gonna be here, and target is gonna be the same high here. We'll still be getting about 1 to 8. Okay, that is if market should come back here. So alert is being created there. Anytime market gets here, I'll be notified. Please let's tap and share. Let us get to 10K immediately. So that's for BTC. Then we add buyers on V15S. We add buyers on V15S. Let's see. All right. So this 15S, I think it's still valid. Let me see the daily first. All right, yeah, it's still very, very much valid. Very, very much valid. Okay. So I want market to actually push up to this level, trigger us, then drop. This is TDR setup. We have a Monday candle, and this is Tuesday candle. All right. It's even leaving behind a nice engineer liquidity right there. So I want market to push up to that level and give me another drop. So let's go to 4 hours and look at the entry I'm using. I'm using the other block right here. Okay, I'm using the other block, this guy right here for the entry. So this one is not TDR. This one that you're seeing is actually not TDR. All right, it's not TDR. So I want market to come and tap us in here so that we can sell off. If this guy doesn't tap us in today, then that means we are going to delete this pending order. So we're going to wait till 10 p.m. this night. All right. So I think these are the setups that we have. So if you have any setup that you want me to check for you, you can drop your pair. But let's get to 10K. 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 Let's stop. Let's stop. Let's stop. Let's stop. Let's stop. Do you know that this guy, we are supposed to have 3 trades here? If you're on my VIP, you know, I posted a buy here and now later said we should delete. I have my reason for that delete. Yeah, I posted a buy here, okay, and we put our SA here. We are supposed to get about 1 to 3 for the push to the upside. Yeah, and our target is going to be this entry. We are supposed to get these 3 points, this 1 to 3. All right, but I don't even forget the reason why I said we should delete. I told my guys just delete it, okay? And now this is the sell that we are in, so let us hope that this sell is actually going to push well to the downside. All right, let's hope it's going to push well to this point. So it's running nicely. It's running nicely. A nice rejection right there. Please, let's tap and share. Then let us check this 25. Which pair do you want me to check? Ratio to profitable now. I love what this guy did here. He created a support here and the market has rejected from it, from this level. So I expect more push to the upside. Is this TDR? Let me see. Is this TDR? Okay, it's not TDR. Yeah, this is not TDR setup. It's not TDR. So we expect market to push up from this level. Let's see. What pair is that? Look at it, sir. This is V25. This is V25. This step index really plays so much well. It was just roaming about on this our drawdown right here. So now the market is giving us a form of equal highs here. So what do we expect? We have a form of equal highs right here. So if market can actually break this low to the downside, then we can do our break even, which is going to make a lot of sense. All right, which is going to make a lot of sense. If market can break this low, we're going to secure our entry right there. You know, I told you I will be adding position, so I later add my position up here. I later add the position up here on that second account, not the main account I'm taking this trade, because it's not good to add position whenever market is on drawdown. You understand? This is the area I wanted to add position yesterday. This area yesterday before, but when I realized the way this guy closes, and I shift my entry that okay, if I can get a rejection from here, look at it, I'm going to engage right here. Okay, that if I can have a rejection from that level, all right, when I got the rejection, I engage from here and I put my SL just very close. So for that second trade, I'm in massive profit. Imagine the move from here to here now. I'm in massive profit and my SL is about here. It's almost 1 to 3 now or more self. So let's see. But I hope this guy can actually start pushing down. All right, I hope. So this guy, we are on break even on this guy. We are on break even on this guy now. We are on break even on this guy. So which pair do you want me to check? Good morning, teacher. C9, please. Which one is C9? What was that pair before V25? Before V25, I think that is V75. OB6. Which one is OB6? Which one is OB6? I didn't get that. Okay, V10S. All right. Let's go check V10S. This is the V10S. We are on break even now. This is the V10S. Volume 80. Ah, okay. I don't do all that. 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 So let's check V10. Yeah, that is V10-1S. This is V10-1S, sir. This is V10-1S. We have a setup on BTC. How far with the gold yesterday? What really happened yesterday on that gold? You go and check the gold now. So since BTC is pushing up, then I expect this guy to keep pushing up. Hey, step 500, Melo Junior, you want to come again? You want to come again, Melo Junior? Hey, whoa. So this is BTC. So I want market to come to this area. Once I have a rejection, I'm going to engage for a buy from that level. Market will not tap us in here, so it might not get here because today is Thursday already. So let us quickly check this V10 before we go to this thing. Let's check this guy together. All right, so let us look at our buyers from this 3 months. So obviously on our 3 months, if you have any pair you want me to drop on YouTube, you can drop it on YouTube. Please click on the like button, subscribe if you haven't. People on TikTok, please do well to subscribe to my channel. The link is right there on my bio. All right, thank you. So on 3 month time frame, as you can see, we have a nice bearish push, right? We have a bearish candle to the downside. All right, so we don't need to really do anything there. On monthly time frame, all right, this is where we are having some pullback. We have a nice pullback here, we have a little pullback here, we have double pullback here, and a market breakdown, right? Okay, so we have this nice supported, the market broke to the downside. All right, and this guy is actually breaking to the downside as well. So on weekly, let's see the weekly. Look at the structure: lower highs, lower low, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs. We have equal high here. It break all the way down. Look at that. Market break all the way down here. It now came up to mitigate this level again. It came up to mitigate this level. All right, and market breakdown. So break it down. Market have to get rejected here. Reject from here. It push up a bit. If you go check your MT5, there's probability that market will be rejecting from here. If you can check MT5, there's probability that market is going to reject from this level. That is WR. All right, and market creates a resistance here. We have a rejection. This support was now broken. This support area that was strong before, how many rejections? 1, 2, 3. Okay, before market break it down. This is our latest WR. All right, so market broke down to the downside. Okay, so I'm still interested in more sales. I am highly interested in more sales.
Hello, Rachel.
Boss,
Do you believe that that's the 500?
yes.
He went down. He went from that TP. He went down back to our entry and start pushing us back.
Are you gonna check it now? It came back to our entry again.
Yes, now he came down to our entry back.
You can't push up.
In the space of just 2 weeks now.
Ẹ wo owó torí Ọlọ́run.
Yeah, exactly. That's about 1,200.
I swear, see money flowing. See, if I did, because now we know what I risk, and thank God say I was able to reduce that loss.
Yes.
You understand?
What was the meaning that I enter from down back?
You can't enter from that.
Enter. I just said that okay. Yeah, that was why I was asking significant yesterday.
Yeah.
That it seems I have changed my strategy.
Yeah.
And honestly, it was because of some things that you said. That's why I started leaving my trade. Honestly, if I gotten what I need from the market, I will just go out.
Yes, it's good. Yes.
Yes.
It's always
But,
good.
but this one, they pay me
That 500.
$600.
Allah. I will check it after this one now.
After, please just check it.
I will check it after this one now. Step 500. It is well. We were so unlucky on that trade. So this is a nice breakdown on our daily time frame. As you can see, yesterday market has given us this TDL, but this kind of TDL, it's because our bias is sell. Assuming you are looking for buy, this is a nice TDL and the TDL is actually pushing. So I'm not interested in any buys. I'm only interested in sales. So what I'm going to do now is to mark out this level. Okay, this level, you will see that market has mitigated that point. So this is our daily resistance level. Okay, you see the way it give us a rejection there. So let's go to 4 hours. Maybe we can have entry. Now on 4 hours, okay, we need to be patient with this. Now with the way I'm seeing this guy, you see this area, the market is giving us this rejection. Market can sweep this high. Let market come and sweep that high and reject from here. If market give us a rejection from here, then we can engage. This is our 4 hour. Okay, then we can engage. So I'll be looking at this guy closely. Let us see this guy push up here, give us a rejection, then we're going to engage for a sell. So that is that for this step 10. That is step 10. Okay, let us go check the step 500. Okay, I think I even remove it from this. All right, so let me go and bring it up. Step 500. Let's check. Let's check step 500.
Do you believe that entry now is sniper entry is from our this is start rejecting back? It was from the tip of the district. It was from there that it was rejecting back.
Rejecting back. I think this is the trade.
Just check the value of this. Check the value of this. Yes, now this is the trade up now.
Yes, this is the trade to up here. It now came down again.
This, look at the direct rejection. That rejection down. Yes, now check it. Check the value. You see that it's our entry.
Yeah. It's our entry. This was the one that pushed down before it start pushing up. Okay, yes. Let me see the daily time frame here. This is TDL.
You don't see how?
It's TDL.
You didn't see it? Yes, now.
Okay, let me see the weekly. This is a buy. This is a buy setup. Jesus.
I swear it was just now. It was just when I sent the 10,500. I went to check it.
Number one, we have a zone here. This is our weekly resistance that I'll be using for targets. This is one. So my bias for this week, I will still be looking for what? For buys. So applying TDL, we go to daily time frame. I want to look for what? Daily support. This day was formed on Tuesday and this day was formed on Wednesday, which makes it a valid area for our buy here for TDL. Then we want to go to 4 hours to use the other block or support that's not been mitigated. Oh. Market can still do us a favor here. Market can still do us a favor here. All right, this is the main order block. This guy, this level, this area, market can still do us a favor here for a zone. All right, it's not late. So now in this case, what will now happen is this is the target here. If you are buying from that area now, here is going to be the target. This is our WR, but at least we'll not do stinginess, right? This eye is enough this week here. You should come and take out this eye. So that area is going to be the target. You should come and take that eye out. So if market can push back We just need to pay attention to this. We are not going to do it aggressively because this thing is very volatile. All right, it's volatile. If market can do us favor by coming back in here, we have a confirmation, then boom, we are going to engage for a buy from that point. All right, from that point for this step 500. So I'll be checking this guy in the next 4 hours. This 4 hours candle is going to close in the next 15 minutes by 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock, 11, 12, 1, 2. By 2 o'clock, we're going to come back and see if market can tap in today. If this guy can tap in today, if he skyrocket to the way market push up like this, if he skyrocket like that,
it's the same thing that he did, though.
yeah.
It's the same that he did.
It is fair. So let us wait, because now market has given us a sweep here. So this is additional setup for us. Market has swept this low out. It has broken this high out to the upside. So let us just wait for market to come into this range, give us a confirmation. Any reversal pattern there, boom, we are going to boom it. So I will come back to this by 2 o'clock. So let us be patient with this. But this is a nice TDR setup, very nice TDR setup. And your TDR setup can only, the last time I can form is.
He was not using ratio.
Yeah.
He was not using that same support that he said he's going to reject from the first time.
From the first time.
From
yes, yes, that's what it's using now. It's pushing.
He supported we use that. Yes.
Yeah. This is a very nice setup, and this is a nice trend line here too.
Trading go mess up your brain.
This is the 40. We have a nice trend line right there. Okay, very, very nice. So we expect market to just come down here, then we trigger our buy. It's going to be a very good one. It's going to be a very, very good one. So V10 please. Okay, let's get to 10k. Let's get to 10k. I don't shout 10k since nobody is tapping. Let's get to 10k. Let's get to 10k. The person that's asking for V10, is it ordinary or what? This week is going to be good, obviously, because we are running 30% already in profit. So this week, I'm seeing it. It might close this week with more than 10 RR. The way I'm seeing it, it should be more than with the way I'm seeing it. Today is Thursday, so tomorrow, obviously, you cannot engage on any trade again from tomorrow. So any trade I thought is going to be from today. Comforter, it's been a while, sir. Good morning to you, sir. It's been a very, very long time. Comforter, I don't taste how. How are you doing? Please, let's stop and share. This week is going to be a very good one. So, by the grace of God, may God help us so that I can break the record of 13 weeks in a row. I want to make sure I have that 3 months in a row. 3 months in a row or 4 months. Anything can happen now. Ratio we do 2 months and is it 2 weeks or 3 weeks? That's 13 weeks. We try now. So the gold yesterday, let me even see what happened later on gold. Let's see. Waiting comes up on gold yesterday. Oh, look at what gold is doing now. Okay, look at what gold is doing now. Okay. Look at what gold is doing now. Let me take out all these ones first. I'm not interested in gold. The guy that we talked about yesterday. Now wow. Kai. I watched him yesterday again. This guy is just, it's not, you should stop the live thing that he's doing now. The way the guy they trade is nothing, it's no difference from somebody where they gamble. It's not no difference. Gold is buying, you sell. You can't say this is not the buy again. You can't change direction immediately again. That is not even scalping. You're not even checking your analysis. I watched him yesterday. I'm just like, what the fuck is this guy doing here? And thousands of people are watching him. Good night from Papao, New Guinea. Oh, Guinea. Wow. Good evening over there. How you doing? Titan. I think I'm going to come after you now, Titan. I think I will be coming after you now, Titan. Because with what I even watched yesterday, it's not making any sense. And any video I make on you, I will make sure I tag you. The first one I did, I tagged you. So I believe you watched the video. And I'm going to keep tagging you. That shit you are doing, you better stop it. Show us TDR strategy. You better stop it. What kind of trading thing is that? You know the different the way I dey trade that time where I have zero knowledge. That I will just open my chart when I see market is pushing up, I will just click a buy. Boom. If I say the thing don't push more, I go put my SL. That was when I even understand how to use SL. If market is dropping again, I go take am again. Bra. That's gambling now. And you are doing that on the live stream. It is well. Yeah, gold. I'm not interested in gold, Jerry. This is the gold. But let me give you my own view on this gold. So let us pick it from weekly time frame. So it is the weekly that will determine. You understand? It is the weekly that will determine what you guys will be actually looking for. So with this simple, with what I can see here, okay, with what I can see here, all right, to get your bias easily is this. We have a key level right here. So what you will help me to do is open your MT5 as market got into this key level. If market has not gotten to that area, there's probability that market is coming there. And this is the level that market broke. So these are the two areas that is very, very important for now. That is the weekly support. Okay? This weekly support and this weekly resistance. These are the areas that you actually need for now. Your analysis, V10. Okay, V10, okay. EU and GU, comforter. Okay, sir. So now let's go to daily. Okay? If market has not gotten to this level, then you should be looking for more buys to this point. You understand what I mean? Please, sir, jump 10. We are on jump 10. We are on trade on jump 10. I will show you now. Okay, so this gold, you should be looking forward to buy to this level. Now, when market broke out from that area, from this our weekly support, market has not actually come down to this guy. Okay, and if you look at this candle, market took out this high first, and now market has taken out this this our low. All right, so there's possibility that market can still drop a bit. Market can still do what? Drop a bit. Now, if you look at the structure that we have down here, we have a nice push up, push down, high, low, higher, high. This is an indecision candle that we have. So market can still come to this point and buy again. Okay, market can still come to that point and buy again. So what do you think we can have around there? We need to go to 4 hours. Mind you, we have an indecision candle here. So any indecision levels like this, if market come to this area, we always have a spike to the upside. It always happen like that. So let's go to 4 hours. Now this is our 4 hours time frame. Okay, so there's possibility that market can just use the same area again and tap up to the upside. Okay, so if you look at what is going on these 4 hours now, market has changed structure to the downside, like a short sell. You understand? So the sell is still dropping for now. Look at what we have. We have a nice resistance with this nice rejection. It break this guy, giving us a change. Market break it again to the upside. Now we have another shift to the downside. So look at this shift. This is an inducement leg. This is what an inducement area. Let me mark it out. This guy here, okay, is an inducement area that market took out. And when market took this high out, we have a rejection, I think here. Okay, no, market even break it out. So if you go to your 1 hour, you see that there's what? There's a zone here that market used to tap, and now market is dropping nicely. Let me see the 1 hour. I will come back to this 4 hours. All right, beautiful. So market is using this breaker to do what? To drop down. Okay, so as it stands, right, going to 4 hours. All right, going to 4 hours, you still have the room to take yourself to this weekly support. So you can keep looking for more selling opportunity to this level. You can keep looking for selling opportunity to this area before market can actually change the direction to the upside. You understand? So I won't go further than that because I have no interest in taking any trade on this guy. All right, somebody said, what is inducement? This is what we call like inducement. When market is pushing up like this, okay, and suddenly market now do this. Now the inducement is just that market try to, many people, we're gonna have orders around here. There are orders here. There are orders right here. There are orders right here. Every zone that we have, there are surely orders. There are money resting from that point. Let's start up. Any areas, any key level areas, any support resistance areas, there are what? Following. There are money resting there. So there are orders that are being pending around that point. Okay. So market believe that like this one, when we have a break to upside, there are some orders here for breaker block to buy. Market did not get to that point and market push up. So when market push up, this is what? Another order block that we have, the market created here, where we have some pending orders, okay, and market came down and took them out and used this extreme order block. So this area becomes an inducement. Before it can actually become an inducement is when market break the high. You see the way market break this high to the upside, it becomes an inducement area. Anything that you want to call it, you can call it engineer liquidity. Everything is still liquidity. All na liquidity. Everything is liquidity. Maybe it's inducement or not inducement. It is still what? Liquidity. This area that we are buying from, it is what? Liquidity. Anywhere market get to, it is what? Liquidity. Because liquidity is money. So now we just like, use names to just try to give you the name that when market do this, we call it this one, this, that, this. Everything is liquidity. But what they actually call inducement, all right, is when we have a pullback like this, a market break the high, it becomes an inducement. Okay, even though this guy is an inducement to this level too, okay, any high that market break becomes an inducement level for the closest zone that is below it. All right, so this is an inducement for this guy to push up. Market has taken a lot of traders out from here. He push all the way down here, then boom. So people that refuse to delete this pending order is going to take them out too as inducement too. So you see, so inducement can be anywhere where we have pending orders, where we have money resting. You understand what I'm saying? So this area, people that refuse to delete their pending order from here, when we have this break, okay, is seen an inducement that market use, the market take them out. A market can do this, is going to play with their mind, with their emotions, doing as if he wants to do what? He wants to continue buying. He can just push up like this and push all the way down. Okay, and now push up. Okay, so It just depends. What matters is you understanding the structure, you understanding the behavior of the market. Understanding the behavior of the market. When they say structures, some people should just mark ayalo, ayalo, right? That is the normal structure everybody's supposed to understand. But it is deeper than that. It is easier to teach people like this that this is ayalo. But when you get to the main chart, you will be confused. And there's nothing about confusion here. That is why I say to if you are analyzing market, the best way to analyze is what you see. All these candle, these main prices, if you understand all these key levels, market break a particular level, you get to the next bus stop and all that, it's going to become easy. That's why you will see many people are just coming after SMC traders. If you go to UC, you see many people, they are just saying, SMC trader, you cannot use SMC to do this, you cannot use it. And to me, if you look into this thing very well, right, you will realize that all of this strategy we are all using today, that we call SMC, that we call this, that we call this, my brother, the ratio that people are actually making money from this kind of strategy are very slim. The big guys that are really making money in the market, they have their own style of trading the market. So what did they do? They understand almost all these strategies. They understand SMC, they understand ICT, they understand support and resistance, anything that you want to call it. They now build their own around all of this experience they have, just like what I'm doing. So even if I give you my own style that I use, you might not be making my money. You cannot trade it the way me ratio I'm trading it. So you need to be trading your own style. The knowledge that you have on SMC, the knowledge you have here, the knowledge you have here, use that one to study the market, create your own out of it. It's not necessary you give it a name. Just have your own special style. If you ask Jeffrey Benson now, he will tell you know SMC, you know this, you know everything. But he's using his own style, the way he understands it. He gathered all of this experience. That is why I normally said, understanding the language of the market is the best strategy. Forget every other thing. So on gold, like I said, you can be looking for selling to this area. That's my take on that. So the V10, I told you that this V10, I'll tell you where you should be looking forward to sell from. That is with confirmation. Let me go there again. You see the way this guy is pushing up now? Let me close this and I'll open it again. Let's tap and share. V10. Okay, so here we go. So this is the V10, like I said the other time. I said just wait for market to come and take this guy out and wait for a rejection from here. Any reversal confirmation you see, take yourself from there. It's very simple as that. You see that sometimes if I'm analyzing market, not concern me say, I want to do this, make market do this, okay? Before I do this, before I take my trade, see, those people taking this kind of trade, they actually have one style of approaching the market. If they didn't see it, they will not take trade. If they didn't see that kind of style, they will not take trade. So when market is not giving that kind of opportunity, that's when you see them taking break. They will just say they want to take break because they're not seeing what they want to see. And it's very good like that. But me as a trader that I'm diversified, there's no how. No how way market want. If na consolidation market, I will still find a way how I can want to take trade. I will still take my trade here. So this is my simple bias here. let market take this guy out first on these 4 hours. Wait for 4 hour rejection. If you see any 4 hour rejection around here, you can drop to 1 hour for more confirmation and drop for sale. Okay, so EU and GU, I did not even open currency pairs this week. This is going to be our first time opening it for the week, and it's because of the news and all of this. So I have no interest in this for now. So let us just do this. Let's go to, and you cannot use TDR strategy on this. You cannot use it on this guy. You cannot. Okay, so this is Euro USD and this is 3 month time frame. Okay, we have a push down here, lower high, lower low, higher high. Okay, market later break this low to the downside, and this high is the major high now. Okay, this is our major high right here. Okay, and this is the major low right here. Okay, and this is the major low right here. So now what I'm going to do is let me take this guy out first. Now look at what we have here. I want to explain the push that happened from here. We have a nice rejection from here, market breakout from this low. Okay, where do you think the entry is going to be? Of course, I'll be using this fresh area for pullback to the downside, this area, and that is where market is rejecting from. That is our TDMR. All right, this is our TDMR. So from that level, what do I expect? I want to see market drop. I want to see market do what? Drop. Market has been finding it very difficult to do what? To drop. It created the resistance level. Look at the resistance level it created there. Market did not even break it too. All right, which we have in nice CLT. People that trade CLT, look at it. Okay, so we want market to actually drop to the what? To the downside on our 3 month time frame. So let us jump to our monthly. So before we jump, if you mark out your fee from this low to this high, we are expecting market to push down to at least 50%. Look at this 50%, align with this guy, which is our what? Our TDMS. Okay, so now we are done here. So we have a area that we want market to actually get to, which is this point. So let's jump to our monthly time frame. So on our monthly time frame, let's keep tapping, guys. As you can see, we have a break to the downside. Okay, we don't have a break, we have a rejection here. So market has been consolidating from these areas. Okay, can you see? Market has been what? Consolidating here. All right, it gives us a nice rejection from here, and now market is pushing up. Now look at the setup that we now have right here. Market created a resistance level here with a nice rejection, which is our MR. Can you stop that, Babo? Which is our MR. So from that MR, I want to jump to my weekly. I will come back to monthly, but I want to show you something. Now here we go on our weekly. This was the what? The rejection that took place. Okay, that was the rejection, and market has taken out this low. This is a significant low where we have the shift. We have a low right here as well. So market take them out. So this level is what? Area of liquidity. Okay. So if I'm looking for entry for a sell, there is going to be the entry right here, which is what? The weekly resistance level. That is the WR zone. This area is going to be the entry point. Okay, so we expect market to keep pushing up. So now let's go back to our monthly. All right, so as it stands, what this means is we want market to push back here, but on a monthly time frame, we want market to reject from this guy, to come here, touch and reject from here, then give us more drop by next month. And this present candle is going to close in 4 days. It's going to close in 4 days. So now what does this mean? This 4 days is by next week. By next week, this guy is going to close, which is very good. So now let's go to weekly time frame. So now our bias is we want to keep buying to this point. All right, you should look for more buys to this our weekly resistance level. So if you look at the way this weekly candle close, it gives us a long bullish candle breaking above this high, taking this liquidity out, tapping in on this level. No, it did not even tap in. We want market to push up to this resistance level so that we can sell. So you should begin to look for what? Buying opportunity. What do you think you should do? Look at this support level here. Look at the double rejection we have here. Market created another level right here that market can use for the pullback. This area that I just marked, which is your weekly support. So we are now going to go towards our daily and see what is aligning to that point. Let's go to daily now. Now here we go. Can you see that from daily? What do we have here? We have a breaker. So what do you need to do? Just take this one out. I want to tell you where you should engage. But it might be a next week trade, and I have my reason for that. This area here, just go and help him. Like this. This is where I expect you to look for what? Buying opportunity. That is the 4S zone. This breaker that we have right here. Alright? So you should wait for market to push down here. It can tap on this guy, it can tap on this other block, but make sure you look for confirmation from here and buy. So now, what does this mean? If this guy is dropping like this, what do you think is going to happen to that gold? You see that the bias on gold is going to tally with this. I told you that gold, just look for more sales to this area and buy, which is same direction. Oh my god. All right, so just look for what? Buying opportunity from here. But let me tell you something. Today is what? Today is Thursday. That is why I say this guy might happen by next week. If this guy doesn't get to this area today, okay, please don't engage on it. In fact, don't even. The only thing you should do from today to tomorrow is look for sell. What you should do from today now to tomorrow, market is closing tomorrow Friday, right? Look for sell to this point. So by next week, you know that you are buying from here. All what you'll be doing for next week is you just want to buy and target this high. So presently for today now, can you see that this is daily time frame, right? So you can be looking for selling opportunity to this area, just like that gold. So let me see if I can help further. Let's go to 4 hours. Now this is the 4 hours. Look at the structures the market is giving us here. We have a nice sweep right here. All right, market take out this guy nicely. It gives us this lower high, lower low, equal highs here, low. Market take out this liquidity or inducement, if you want to call it, and general liquidity, anything you want to call it. Okay, market tapping on this other block, okay, and push all the way down again. It break this guy to the downside. It has created some levels right here. If there is no news today, I have this thing here. Okay, let me look at this area first. We have this nice rejection here, and we have one here. So let me mark out these two levels first, and let me see the 1 hour. Please, let's tap. Okay, so this was the rejection, break. Okay. So for me, all right, you can allow this market to actually push up to this level. That is, if market wants to push back, look for sell from here. It's going to make a lot of sense. This is 1 hour. Okay, it's going to make a lot of sense from there. If you can look for sell from this area to this point, that is my bias on Euro USD. Please let us start and share this live stream. Let's get to 15K likes. Trust your plan. Let the market
market floor. One good trade can change it all. You know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into prices. Break the offer, profitable mindset every time.
As you can see, this one is resuming back. You know, I told you it's going to buy from there. It's resuming back now. Can you see? It's resuming back for the buy.
Charts don't lie. Keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won.
Let's get to 15k likes. Let's get to 15k likes. 15k likes.
Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Right to your true profitable mindset every time.
15k likes. Let's go.
Every loss is just a lesson, don't give it. Stay disciplined, that's what change.
So let me know the pair you want me to check.
Trust your plan.
So if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. Please jump 10.
One good trade can change it all. You know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's
You know, I told you yesterday that we'll be looking ahead. So yesterday we talked about jump 10 yesterday. So we talked about jump 10 yesterday. On YouTube, drop your peer if you want to. Our bias for the week for this jump 10 was to sell. We are looking for sell. You know, I told you. We are looking for more sales to this area on jump 10. We are looking for what? More sales. So I want to apply TDR for this strategy. And our market has given us the TDR. You know, I told you yesterday that if this bearish candle should close like this, we're going to be having our setup. So this is what? Tuesday, and this is Wednesday candle that give us this our TDR. All right. So above here now, what I'll be using, our entry is going to be 4 hours. Okay. And you just be marking this resistance level. This resistance level is actually enough. Okay, this guy here is enough for the entry. So this is the 4 hour zone. So now this guy, if this guy doesn't come here today, then that means we don't have a trade. So we expect market to come back here, and it must trigger today. If this guy doesn't trigger today, then no trade. So our SL is going to be somewhere here. So let me look for the target. We go to daily. So the target for this guy is gonna be let me see the low that we're gonna be using. I think this low is okay. This low, is this low okay? This low, is this low okay? Let me see. Let me see that low. Okay, here is going to be fine. So we're gonna be taking our profit right here. All right, we'll be taking our profit from that point. Okay, so that is where market is now. That is where market is rejecting from now. No. Ah, God. Let me go to weekly. I think weekly will be better. Since we are getting our buyers from weekly. Okay. Okay, so yeah, this area. So it's going to be a very long trade. All right, it's going to be a very, very long trade. Every time. So if market can tap us in, that is, he has to tap today. And once he tap today, we are going to leave this trade till next week. Some of our Jade, stand up, don't do that. Some of our trade that is running now, some go even enter next week. Yes, it depends on the movement. All right. So yeah, we're gonna be having entry right here. But don't let me to post anything now. So let me just put alert here rather than that. Let me put alert. You know the reason why I don't want to post it now. Let me just put alert here. The reason I don't want to post it now is just because I don't want a situation that I will not post today and later in the night I will say, okay, delete. No, it's not really necessary. So if market can get here today, which I doubt it. Market cannot trigger this level today. Market cannot trigger this level today. It cannot. Assuming say na currency pair now, maybe there's one news that is going to actually help the market. Well, this is 4 hours time frame. 4 hour time frame. So for market to just push up massively here, it must be a very strong key level that can actually do that. You understand? So as it stands, I doubt it. So I've already put alert in case nobody can say we see how it goes. So that's for job 10. 50s. Where's 50s? Yeah, we are trade on 50s. I think that is our first trade for the week. That's our first trade for the week. So let me go to daily. Is market giving us opportunity again? Okay, no, market is not giving us opportunity. I could have looked for more sales. So no more opportunity. You know, I said it that I want this guy to push to this level. I want this guy to push to this point. That is my bias. And this is daily time frame. So we're able to catch a trade there. Assuming we allow this guy to run to this level, we're still going to be on this trade. We're still going to be on that trade, okay? But I just decide we should take our TP from that point. So maybe by next week, I want market to break below this level properly. So by next week, we might look for more sales to this our area right here. TP for V25. V25 ordinary or what? Stand up. If you mean V25 ordinary, this is the TP. I told the market is going to push up from there. See the way it's pushing now. So the TP is 2760. 2760. Yeah, we'll be getting 1 to 5. 2750 and 60. Yeah, this is the normal one. $27.60. Hey, what is wrong with you guys now? So you can send your request if you want to talk to me, if you have any question. Today is just like a catch cruise day. The main business day for ratio is like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But Friday is a catch cruise. Saturday, you just catch cruise. TDR strategy will give you rest of mind. Look at what market did there. This is a nice inverse head and shoulder. A very nice inverse head and shoulder. Please teach us TDR. I will be making video, oh my god, on TDR. Hopefully next week or 2 weeks. But let me explain one year. This say you are seeing now, this is a TDR. We will be getting 7.5 here. This is TDR. We have 1 to 3 here. Here we'll be getting 7. So let me explain. First thing first about TDR. Let me tell you the full meaning of TDR so that you guys will not. Number one, the full meaning of TDR is top-down reversal pattern. TDR strategy. Top-down reversal. Okay. TDR means top-down reversal. And thanks to our brother that gave us this name, we were actually thinking about the name that we're going to use for this beautiful strategy. And a lot of people actually give us their ideas, which we all really appreciate. But among all, we realized that this one really fits the strategy, which is TDR. Now, what does this mean? This top-down just means is you need to get your bias, your top-down from higher time frame to weekly. That is the top-down. The top-down doesn't necessarily you take it to 1 hour. We have no business on 1 hour to 15 minutes frame. We have no business there. It is from higher time frame. Maybe 3 months, monthly, it depends. But the main thing is that weekly bias. So once you get your weekly bias, you are telling yourself that you want to do what? You want to sell for the week. You are looking for selling opportunity for the week. What you will look out for on TDR, you need to look out for what? Daily support or resistance. You are done with the weekly. You've gotten your bias that, okay, you want to sell. Now, let us assume you want to sell to the downside. Okay? What you will look out for is this. Where's rectangle here? Let me bring out my rectangle. Yeah. I'm coming now. I want to bring out rectangle here. Okay. All right, so what you are looking for is what? Daily resistance level. You are looking for what? Daily resistance level. After you've gotten your weekly bias that you want to sell. So this daily resistance level you are looking for has to form for what? either from Saturday. The candle has to be candle Saturday stroke Sunday, or candle Sunday stroke Monday, or candle Monday stroke Tuesday, and finally candle Tuesday stroke Wednesday. That is the setup. If you don't have that resistance being formed during those days, you have no setup for the week. So let us assume this is our Saturday and this is our Sunday. What will you do? A market is giving us maybe a week in between them. Okay. Obviously, we have a week there. All right. Maybe we have a week. Okay, you have a week. Aha. Nice. So what you will do is you mark out your resistance level, which is the daily resistance. You mark it out. That is our daily resistance level that was formed on Saturday and Sunday. After this one is formed, next thing to do is you go to your 4 hours time frame for entry. The main time frame you need on this TDL: weekly, daily, 4 hours. You have no business with 1 hour. What are you looking for on 4 hours? You are looking for what? Order block. Now this order block, it depends. All of this doesn't matter. Anything that happened there, it no matter. Maybe market created inducement, market no create inducement, it creates one liquidity, you have liquidity. Anything that happened, it no matter. So far you are able to get your daily resistance. Just go to 4 hours, look at the order block. So the order block can actually give you a resistance level that has not been mitigated. You can mark it, or you can mark the whole candle out and take your sell. And if you are taking your sell, the best way to approach this strategy, it is being aggressive. I'm giving you rules for that. It is what? Being aggressive. What is aggressive? You place your pending order, a sell pending order. Most of the time, you might have alignments on this level with 4 hours. Sometimes the order block can be inside this week, inside the week here, and your entry is going to be there. Are you getting me? The entry might be on the week here, where you have the order block of 4 hours, and sometimes you might have alignment with 4 hour resistance with daily resistance. Use that level. You can target the recent low. The minimum of this is at least 1 to 3. You can get 1 to 20, you can get 1 to 15. It depends on how you can hold your trade. Since you are taking trade on 4 hours, why won't you be able to hold your trade? You engage in a trade of 4 hours and you are telling me you cannot hold your trade, then that means you are not supposed to be taking trade on 4 hours. You should go to 1 minute, 5 minutes to go and be taking trade there. So that in a short period, you are out of the market. If you cannot hold your trade, this strategy is not for you. And one thing about this strategy, any pending order that you have, maybe this setup now, you are able to get Saturday and Sunday. This is Saturday candle and Sunday candle, and market now tag you in on Monday, then that is good. If market do not come back, if market do not tap you in before Thursday 10 o'clock, that is Thursday 10 p.m., That is when Thursday the candle is going to close. Thursday 10 p.m. before we enter Friday, you need to delete the pending order that you have. It's it's no more valid. Sometimes it can actually play out well, but according to my my check, just delete it. So you cannot trade this strategy on Friday, and you don't use Friday and Saturday as your TDR setup. That is the daily support or resistance. You don't use Friday and Saturday. Sometimes you might see some TDR for Saturday and Friday and Saturday, and it plays out well. Of course, you can see that, but it's not part of what of the rules. You cannot trade it over the weekend. It's not tradable for Saturday and Sunday. You can only take trade from Monday to Thursday. I hope you're clear. So now I'll be doing video on this strategy, but it's going to be maybe next week or next upper. It depends on how the spirit leads me. Please let's start my share. Do you have any question? Any question, please? So like this one now, my bias is to sell. If you go to our weekly, I'm looking forward to do what? To sell. That is my bias. If you get your bias correctly, you are good. If your bias is wrong, your trade will be wrong. So if you go to your daily, you will see that this daily candle, this guy was formed on Monday. This long bearish was formed on Wednesday. This guy was formed on Monday and this guy was formed on Tuesday. It makes that area a valid area for us to sell. So you go to your 4 hours, use the order block or something. Now look at it. You see that it is the order block I'm using, which is this bullish candle. Just mark it out, and that is where I'm using for the entry for this sell, so on and so forth. So please let's tap and share. So let me see the updates on our trades. Let me check this V10. So we are on break even on this guy. I hope this guy is not going to get to our break even. Let's see how it goes. I hope it's not going to get to our break even. Step index that has been going back and forth since yesterday. Let's see the update as well. You see, it's pushing back to the upside, but with the way I'm seeing it, I'm still seeing this guy dropping. Why did I say so? Come, let me clear this and open it again. I don't like the way this thing is slowing down. It's slowing down. On YouTube, if you have any question, let me know. So the reason why I still believe this guy is still likely to drop for more sales. Number one, market has given us a nice equal highs. Look at the rejections that we have here, respecting that zone, and we already have a shift to the downside. Market give us a change of character to the downside now. Our market broke this support area as well. This guy, you see the way market break this level, it break it to the downside. Okay, so maybe market is trying to pull back. Let me lock this guy. Okay, good. So maybe market is trying to pull back to this point so that it can drop for sale. So let us just see how this one will actually go at the end of the day. All right, so we see how it goes. Okay, so let me see the next one, which was a 15S. Okay, this 25 ordinary, how far with it? How's it going? Allow your trade to run. Allow your trade to run. Okay, so this one is still around here, right? Let's check the next one, 75. Okay, 75 is doing well. Ordinary 75. We have 75 and 75 ordinary that we are on. Okay, so this was the one that just tapped us in. The second trade on this pair. It's supposed to be the third trade because we're supposed to take a buy. We took a buy that we delete. We took a buy and we delete it. We're supposed to take our buy to this level. You understand? We're supposed to be in a massive profit by now. We're supposed to celebrate 6 now at the moment, but no voila. So the next one is this jump 100. We're on jump 100. Let's see the updates. All right, so jump 100 is still on our entry point right there. It wants to start the push. That's what this guy is trying to do. So you can join us on this jump. You can join us on this jump if you want to. We'll be getting, this is not TDL actually. We'll be getting about 6.55. Why not about that? So let's go check our 15S. So this 15S, if this guy doesn't trigger our sell position today, then we're going to delete it. If this guy doesn't trigger our sell position, we're going to delete this guy. He have to trigger before 10 p.m. today. If it doesn't trigger, we are deleting. So this is V15S. BTC. BTC is pushing up, but BTC has given us a TDR setup here. So we've already put alert here. This is the first TDR that market. This is the TDR that we missed this trade. If you mark the other block, like I said, look at the other block here. You could have been on this trade. You see, this one will be giving you 3.35. Assuming we use this other block. But what we use, I told you that it's either you use the other block or you just use the support level that's not been mitigated, which is on that same other block, right? The extreme. It depends on you. But we have a sell buy limit on this level. Can you see the market did not come back? So it just tapped on this guy and now it's pushing. So it has given us another opportunity. It has given us another opportunity, which is here. So if you go to your daily, this TDR can give you only 2 opportunities within a week. You cannot have 3. It can only give you 2. With all what I've seen. So here we have this Tuesday and Wednesday. Can you see? This is Tuesday candle. This is Wednesday candle. It makes it a nice area for us to engage. So on 4 hours time frame, I want to use the extreme as well. So if you want to use the other block, you're going to be marking this guy out. So you see, wait for market to come back, but I want to use this extreme here. I want to use the same extreme. If market can come back in, I'll wait for confirm buy. Okay, then I will take a buy. So we're going to see how this BTC will actually go at the end of the day. So this V50, we have missed entry 2 times. This is same TDR 2 times. We have 2 missed entry 2 times here. 2 times. This one, we have a missed entry here. Okay. We have a missed entry. Market use this other block here. This is the other block. Market use it. It tap. It drop. It now give us another opportunity. The same thing again. You understand? So, I was waiting for the extreme and this extreme. If you go and check your MT5, market use it properly. Market use it properly on 95. So we have missed entry 2 times here. You understand? So the third time it's not going to work. Let me see. Let's go to daily. So look at it. This is the first one. This is the first one that was formed on Saturday and what? And Sunday. Can you see? And this is the second one that was formed on Monday and Tuesday. All right. So market used the other blocks, but did not use the extreme that I wanted to use. I wanted it to use. Okay, so market is dropping. So we're going to be deleting this our pending order as well. All right, we're going to be deleting it. So I think that is all. We don't have much again. That's all. So the step 500. Let me see the step 500 once more. Let me see the step 500 once more. If you have any questions, send your request. If you want to talk to me, send your request. Let me see. This is TDR strategy we are waiting for. Market is pushing back. It's pushing back. As you can see, it's pushing back. It's pushing back. So, if not because this guy is volatile, family, if not this guy is volatile, this is what I will do. This is the other block I mark, this bearish candle. This is what I will do. I'll place my pending order like this. This is gonna be here. This is what I will have done. Okay, I will just do this, target this guy. How many RR is gonna be giving us? We're gonna be getting 1 to 4.58. You understand? This is TDR. My bias for this week is to buy. That is my bias. And now market now gave us what? Our daily support. If you are buying, you should look for daily support. Let me go to weekly so that you understand. This thing is very simple to use, but there are some, I'm just teaching you this thing. I have how have you even talk? But no voila. So now this is the area I want market to get to. Can you see this weekly resistance level? That is the main target I want market to get to. Last week we have a nice bullish push, so I expect to see more buys for this week again. So I love the way market push back. Market now give us our opportunity. Going to daily, you see that all of these days there's no daily support. This is now where market now came to give us our daily support. This day was formed on Tuesday and Wednesday. I told you that is the only last sector that you can have, Tuesday / Wednesday. You don't use Wednesday and Thursday. It is only Wednesday and Tuesday and Wednesday. So by Thursday, market should tap you in. So now this is what on Tuesday and this is on Wednesday. It created that level. So that is why we have this area for our entry. And if you check on 4 hours, we have this nice trend line here. Can you see? Top, touch, touch. This is another word, third touch right there. So if not because it's volatile, I will just place my buy pending order there. But what I want to do is I want to see how market is going to come back, give me a confirmation, a rejection, so that I can have a small SL. You understand? I don't want to risk more than what I'm planning to risk. Let us check this together. This is step 500. Look at this candle. Let us check it on MT5 on 4 hours. And let us see the price. Let us check this guy here. Step 500. Is it here? Step 500. Is it? Okay, it's not here. Step 500. Okay. This one is this guy was when I was doing this what is it called? Let me close this thing. It is stronger, yeah. Patient praise. Okay. Close. I don't forget. That was when I was having class with my guys. So when I was teaching buy source, test stop, selling meat and the rest. So now, where is this is 4 hours. Where is going to be the entry? No. Step 500. Every time. So here we go. This is the area. This is the candle. So let us assume you want to do a pending order right here. And you want to put your SL right here. Can you see that this is 101? Let me show you. Can you see that this is 101? So when I say this thing is very volatile, me myself, I know if you put my head. The one I released that day was about 70 something to 80. You understand? Almost double of what I normally take. You understand? Almost double of 2 trades. That is crazy. So I'm not doing this. I'm not doing it this time. So Azumi market can give us something like this when no pass 50, something like this. When no pass this one. That I can no say I feel taken. So that is why I want to wait for market to come back. If I see that rejection, maybe market wants to use this area, is even going to be good. I will love it. If market wants to use this area and I see the rejection, my SL will be small. You don't understand? My SL will not be that big. But assuming this price is giving me less than 50, okay, of course, I'm going to be taking this trade. You understand? But this is very volatile. And even though with that 50, not be everybody fit take am. So V step 500, just be careful with it. So me personally, we won't take myself. I'm waiting for market to just give me the rejection from that point before I can take this trade. Please let us start. V10. If you don't know buy stop, sell stop, let me know. Let me quickly do that on that MT5. In case if you don't know. Where's V10? We talked about V10 before. I told you where you should look for sell. I told you should sell. Grit cuts. Sunny pressure into priceless. So it's rejecting from here at the moment. This is where market is. It's rejecting from here. Every time. It's rejecting from here at the moment. So what market is doing here is what? Is consolidating. So if you know that this 4S, if you want to take this trade, of course you can go to 1 hour 15 minutes, take yourself to this support. You understand? Because market is what? Consolidating. So you can take advantage of that. If you go to 1 hour, you see what is going on here, go to 15 minutes. Of course, you can take the sell to that area. Now look at this 15 minutes. So this 15 minutes, if this guy should close like this, then we are having what? 3 inside down. What is 3 inside down? Okay, so if this guy should close like this, then you can look for what? Sell to this point. All right, taking advantage of the consolidation market, because market is consolidating at the moment. So you can take advantage of that to sell to this support level. All right. So if you are selling like that, you make sure you risk low, because I told you where I'm hoping to sell from. So if it is $20 you normally raise per trade, I expect it to just reach $10, just to catch small move to this point. You understand? And if you think maybe you want to actually take that risk, of course, you can take the risk by taking your sell, and maybe market gets you do your break even. Maybe you might be lucky that market will do what? Will break. You don't understand what I'm saying? You might be lucky that market is just going to break this support and start dropping. You understand? So anything can happen. All right. But where I actually want market to get back to is this area, so that I can sell from here. But this thing is, I'm not sure it might happen today, let's see. It might push up to this level. Mind you, this is not TDR. This setup is not a TDR setup. V50. Let's get to 20k likes. V50 was the one I told you that we have mistrade on them. That I told you we have mistrade. We have double mistrade on it. So we're going to be deleting this our order. We have double mistrade. Assuming we were able to catch in on this more. You go just watch our trade. As you are watching how many trade that is running now. And almost all of them are running in profit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 straight. 6. Can you see running trades? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It jump 100. That's crazy. Chats don't lie. No. You make me cry. Every setback, you the stronger, yeah. Patience, grace, let your winners run.
The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into
Igwe. 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 It's been long, Igwe. How are you, my brother? If you want to jump on this jump 10, you better jump into this jump 100. If you want to jump into this 100. It's on the entry point to jump into this 100. If you want to jump, make we dey jump, dey go. You better jump. Don't be scared to jump. Oh. Please let us tap and share. Let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. Jesus. I'm doing well, Igwe. Nice family and nice work. Guys, send your request. Let us talk. Make an account gist me. How is your trading journey going? How is your trading journey going? Forex is a beautiful thing. Every setback, build a stronger, yeah. 90S. There are some pair on synthetics as well that I've never even checked at all. What are the names of these PSF? I think I will check them maybe later after my live stream. I think, let me see this guy. Jesus. Jesus. Ah, we're supposed to have trade here now. I checked this guy yesterday. You see that I have my buyers here. I want market to get to this weekly resistance. That is the main target. And look at the way this weekly candle close. All right. So I want to look for more buys for this week. Applying our TDR strategy, we want to look for daily support. This day was formed on Thursday. This day was formed on Friday. It's not the valid one. This is the recent one. We have this guy Tuesday and what? Wednesday. That makes that area a valid area for us to use for entry. Right here. DS. Please, let's tap and share. You're supposed to be on a buy on this guy. Let's go to 4 hours. Kilo share. We're supposed to be on buy. Okay. Wait. Let me go back to daily. Let me see. Yes, this is daily support right here. Then 4 hours. Oh my God. This is 4 hours. Yeah. What time is this? This is 2 o'clock. This is 10 o'clock. Yes. This is the area we're supposed to. Okay, now. Can we engage on this guy? We're supposed to be on a buy right now. This is 4S. We're supposed to be on a buy. Okay. This is the main order block. All right. This guy, even if you want to mark it this way, okay, like this. If you want to mark that zone out, 4S zone, is this the volatile? Okay, it's something that if you take a long position, if it's volatile, you're not taking. If you take a buy and SL is like this, how many RR will be getting from here to this area? We'll be getting 1 to 3. And the rules is minimum of 1 to 3. Let me check MT5 here, 90S. Nobody knows everything. I hope you learned your lesson. $90S. Which lesson? 90S. It's not here. Which lesson, sir? This one is not about any lesson. No, I forgot. No, let me say no. Where's 90S? I forgot because I checked it yesterday. That is why I have you guys around, so that you guys can actually be helping me out. Where's 90S now? So let us see the price, because this is supposed to be very volatile. It's supposed to be volatile. Let us assume we take a buy here. We take a sell. If you have the money, you can take the trip. Me, ratio, I don't have the money. I have seen trade that is running. I know what I'm risking on all of the streets. I'm not. No. See, no matter the setup, no matter what comes in first for me is my risk management. If it's not aligned with my risk management, if market is not giving more, I no go take a move. I no go take am. Or else, right? If market can come in here and have confirmation, then I can take it. But come on, hey, almost 2 trades. I'm not this on one particular trade. No now. I love myself. So no matter what, take it. I should take it. You can do it, ratio. Give me $700 to my account. I will use that one to do it right now. If I see anybody will go pay for yearly mentorship now, I will just use that money to take that trade. That's it. I say more yearly 6 months. 6 months. I will just use that money to take the trade. But seriously, this is a good setup from here though. But just wait for, if market can come to the 50% level here, then it's cool. Then we're gonna be taking it. My brother, what's up? We can do it ratio 25s. Kilowatt, bro. Significant. I'm doing well, oh. And you too?
Very good to go.
Kilo sọ. Ẹkúṣẹ́ jàre. Ẹkúṣẹ́ àná. Were you able to do that thing?
Yes, sir. Yes, I did it.
On tab, Abi?
Yes.
Okay.
No, not on tab. I later find a way to sort my camera.
The camera and it work.
Yes.
That's the way, bro. That is the way. This is the YouTube now on the lens. That is why you have this. It's from the YouTube. Please let us tap and share. Let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. You know, you say the news not really making part that yesterday. Just, but I still expect go to drop a bit, to still drop.
That news not be news.
No be news, Daddy. So, guys, let us quickly talk about this 25S. Let's go to 3 months. I'm seeing something interesting on this guy. As you can see, market is bullish, right? We have a high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, higher high to the upside, right? And all market is trying to do here is trying to form. This is not. You cannot call this one evening star to me. If this guy should break, I will not even call this one evening star. No, I will not. Okay. Because it's not a good reversal with the way this guy is doing. Assuming we have a long week here, taking this guy out of here. These are the kind of things I want to see. So with the way this guy is giving us this indecision, my brother, don't be surprised that this guy, this present candle will turn bullish. That is a continuation. That is a continuation. With this indecision that we have that is inside this candle, then the next candle should give me a continuation. Assuming this indecision give us a sweep here, then I can be looking for what? More drop. But for now, with what I'm seeing on this 3 months, I want to see more buys. Okay. Now going to our monthly time frame, it's dropping. Which one is dropping? Which one is dropping? So now going to our monthly time frame, what we are focused on now is what? Buy. Like I said, I'm not interested in sell. This is the kind of thing I'm supposed to see on what? On the 3 months. But we have it here on monthly. But because we don't have it there on 3 months, I'm focusing more on what? On sell. On buys. Like I said, that whenever you have a zone like this and you have series of rejections, be careful. You might have what? A break to the upside, because that area is going to get weak. The more the rejection, the more it gets weaker. The rejection must not be too much. If you don't pass 4, forget it. There is high tendency that it's going to break it. And looking at the trend of the market is bullish. So what I'm focused more now is this support the market is giving us, this rejection. This is where I'll put my what? My focus. That is our monthly support. So yeah, let us review this one. This is the monthly resistance level. Okay. So Or better still, okay, don't let me to, we get our target on lower time frame. So what do we do next? Since I have this rejection, my bias is to keep looking for buys. Let's go to weekly now. Now if you come to weekly, as you can see, market give us a nice drop here. We have a very nice impulsive move to the upside. Very nice impulsive move to the upside, rejecting. Market came here to reject once more, which is our what? Our weekly support. Which is our weekly support. So I expect market. Let me reduce this guy. So I expect market to do what? To keep pushing to the upside. To keep pushing to the upside. Let us connect this trend line from here and let us see what we have. Please let us tap and share. Let's connect this trend line. This is a nice trend line right here. This is our WT. As you can see, this is a nice trend line from this point. From this point, a nice rejection here, and our market is giving us this rejection right here. Can you see? All right. So our market was giving us what? Hammer. Look at this hammer. This hammer is enough for confirmation. Is enough for what? Confirmation for a buy. Let's break it down to what? Our daily. Now, market has taken this low out. Market has taken what? This low out. If you are now buying, you can just use this high for what? Your target. The market should come and take out that high. All right. Let's go to daily time frame to break it down. Now, on our daily, as you can see, market has already given us our sheep. When we have this lower low right here, market created the support here. It gives us a nice rejection right here. Market break this high, it break this high, series of highs to the upside. Two things is likely to happen. Okay, market can decide to pull back. Obviously, that is what we'll be waiting for. Without the pullback, we cannot engage in this trade. Without the pullback, we cannot what? Engage on this trade. Okay, and if you look at something right here, we have a nice trend line here. Oga, come out. Which one be this? Manchester, no come out to my team. Big club, yeah. Okay, all right. Let me use weak to body. Okay, cool. Weak to body. All right, look at this trend line. Our DT, beautiful trend line. Okay, look at the way market broke it, right? So we expect market to pull back. So for next week or by weekend, if I see opportunity around there, anywhere here, bro, nothing concern me with one zone. Anywhere there, I want to take my buy. And best thing best is if I realize the market is dropping, my brother, I'll be using my fifth level on this kind of trade again. So if I'm taking my buy on the golden zone, normally if I'm using the fifth level to take my trade, I love to use the mid-range of what? That is the golden zone of 0.5 to 0.6. And in this case, because this is B25, I don't know how volatile it is because I never really master the volatility of all of these pairs sometimes until I check. So if it is not volatile, I will just play safe and put my SL like this. You understand? Far from this level. But if it is volatile, of course, I still have the mind to put it very close. All right, look at the one we took yesterday. It nearly took us out too. Because I said yesterday that the SL is going to be, and it nearly took us out. Now, look at it. I'll be using what? The I here that I want market to come and take out. That is where it's going to be the target for this guy. Are we clear? So this guy can actually be a weekend trade. It can be a weekend trade. So I'm going to leave this setup like this. All right, and see what will actually happen. Let me put alert around there. Please, let's tap and share this live stream, family. Let's keep tapping. Okay. It's not aggressive entry. I just put this one. Let me even remove it. Because some people will just go place their pending orders there. So right here, I'll be looking for opportunity from that point. All right, from that level. So that is the bias for this guy. So let me show you the one that the fib level that I said is likely to talk. It nearly took us out. Which pair was that? Is it 25? Is it 25? Is it? No, it's not this one. Is it 75? Jesse, what are you doing? What are you doing? No, it's not this one. Ah. Which one was it? Who remember? That we use. No, that we use fifth level to take yesterday. This one. This one exactly. Okay, this one exactly. You see that we use the fifth level and we put it below that 75 level. It nearly took us out here. But normally, you know, I said yesterday that if I want to take this kind of trade, normally this is where I'm supposed to put my SL at least. Then it should fly. But it nearly took us out. So, and I told you guys that if market should get to this area, because the way I'm saying it, market is still consolidating and I wouldn't want us to chop this SL. Okay, that's why I say let's do break even. So if market won't take us out on break even, no wala. We still have about 6 trades that is actually running. So you're gonna see. But I hope this guy can actually reject from this guy. This guy should be able to block it and reject from there. He should be able to block it because we have series of rejections here. So with the way I'm seeing this level, I'm seeing market coming to break these highs, this area to the upside. I'm seeing market breaking into the upside. All right. So I hope it's not going to take us out on this break even. Please, let's start. Shatizi, what's up? Which peer, please? Look at the name here. That is the name there. That's the name there. If you have any questions, send your request. So let me see this step. What's going on with this step? I don't understand. V15. Hey, what's up? How you doing now? Now this step, no one push. I don't understand what's going on with this guy. How far now?
Family.
We thank God though, we there here. Family there. How's work?
Yes, sir. Fine, sir.
Wait till do your voice like this.
Yeah, just a wake up.
Okay, just a wake up.
No close on work on time. I sleep. Yes.
Okay, yeah. Bele, sorry.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yes, boss. So we have a pending order on 15S. If this guy doesn't trigger us by 10 p.m. tonight, we're going to be deleting all our pending orders. All pending orders. I think we have 2 or 3. Yeah, I think it's 2. So we're going to delete all of them once it's 10 p.m. tonight. Once it's 10 p.m. tonight, and market do not trigger, we are going to delete all of them, including BTC. But I hope BTC can give us this opportunity. Since market did not come here, it has given us another setup for our TDR. So if this guy can come here, NEPA since yesterday, wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. We try. So if market can actually push back to here, once I see the rejection, we're gonna take a buy, and this buy from here will be getting about 1 to 8. Yes, about 1 to 8. If market should come back here, it is only rejection I'm waiting for. So market has already tapped. The TDL has already played out here. You know, I said yesterday that I want to use the support, but if you use the other block, it has tapped and it has pushed nicely. Okay, so that is how we missed 2 trades on one pair this week. Last week we missed 2 trades because of the level that we use. So that is the only thing you can have on this CDL. You might have missed trade, but if you use the other block, you just use the other block, you will not miss any trade. Any of them you will not miss. But this is now where the fear will come in. Let us assume you just use this area like this. Okay, you use this area like this. Look at it too. This is where fear go dey catch you. And me, I want to use this area. A market push up like this, it tap you in, it push up a bit, e now come to this level to come and tap me in. You know, by the time market come back here, your mind go don cut off, say hey Ese. Say Ese, you understand? But all of this, anytime market dey your drawdown, you don't need to panic, nothing dey there. No, nothing dey there until market take you out. You allow market to play out, to do whatever it wants to do. You understand? So as someone we do that, you'll be getting how many RR here? Let me see. I think about 1 to 3. You'll be getting at least 1 to 4. All right. This is what I want to do before when I saw the setup, but I said no. Let me use this extreme because BTC love to use extremes like this. Okay, so I still believe market can still come back here so that we can take the second opportunity. This is the second opportunity for the week, and if it doesn't go, then no problem, no trade for the week on BTC. That's it. TDR is something that you cannot force it. You cannot, no shortcut on TDR, no single shortcut. This was the one that we missed, the 2 opportunity. This is the first one that we missed, and this is the second opportunity that we missed. So, and the way I'm seeing it, I'm still seeing it dropping. I think nothing much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 strips. Olofa. Please let us tap. So if you want to jump in on this jump, you can quickly jump on this jump. So more they jump, they go together. More they jump, they go. More they jump, they go.
Sorry about 51s.
51s.
Yes.
Okay. This is 51s. The only thing I'm interested on is just keep looking for sell. You understand? But because market is not giving me another TDR setup here for a sell, so without applying this TDR, what you can do right here is you have this level here the market came back for, which is DR. We want to go to 4 hours time frame. Who is a furniture here that stays around mainland? Who is a furniture here? Let me patronize you. Who is a furniture here? All right, so we have this high, we have this lower low, lower highs. So you see the market has given us a nice resistance level here and is giving us this rejection. Okay, so we can apply TDR, what's it called? My swap strategy, which is simple way of trading around jealousy. This is 4 hour zone. That is our 4 hour. So you can jump to 1 hour time frame. This was the rejection. Okay. I doubt if market can pull back again.
And I don't do a selling for there.
For Yabi.
I want market to pull back for this week for 4 hours.
4 hours.
Yes.
Leave
If
it.
you pull 5, no pull, that means it don't go.
If you no pull back, just leave it. But the way it's going, it might keep dropping like that.
Yes.
All right. So that is that for that. 75S.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, boss.
Hey, boss.
If you haven't followed me, make sure you follow the host. Follow the host if you haven't. follow the host if you haven't. Please let's tap and share. If you have any questions, send your requests. So if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. Do well to join. And if you want to join our VIP is $20. We don't charge. We charge as little as $20. This $10 I'll be removing it very soon. No matter they use token. So it's just for 2 weeks to come and test run what we do. Discounts for 1 year supposed to be 240 is 200. Discount for 6 months supposed to be 120 is 100. All right. So and this one has been closed since last 2 weeks or 3 weeks. This discount on mentorship class has been closed since I think 2 weeks or so. So we live stream both on YouTube and TikTok, as you can see, YouTube and TikTok, and every 9 a.m. in the morning, Monday to Friday, Nigerian time. Weekend is Saturday and Sunday. Okay, anytime for the weekend, and this one is not compulsory. Okay, the main live stream is Monday to Friday, which I make sure I am very, very consistent with that since last year, November. Okay, which I started my live stream. Up to now, I've not missed a day from Monday to Friday. It is God's doing. Okay, so make sure you join us every blessed day and let us grow together as a trader. Come and learn. I mean, too, I'm willing to learn because I don't know anything. I just try my best. V75. I think I will be having a new record. Setting a new record for another this thing. This guy is pulling back, but this is 4 hours, so just allow it. Okay, this is 4 hours time frame, so let's see, maybe I can set a new record for myself. Let's see how it goes. All right, so this is John V75. So market has triggered this our sell. What's the TP for V75?
Boss,
Yes sir.
I bet the TP for that jump is what?
Okay, I'm coming. This is the TP 42,800.
Can I get in this one now?
Yeah, of course. Use your proper risk management.
Okay.
Your proper risk management. Don't risk more than what you can't afford to lose. So this is 42,800. All right. So V75, the target for this is okay, that's it. Somebody is asking for jump, right?
I'm the one for jump.
That is 300.
Okay, 300.
Yes.
Thank you.
Allow all your trades to run. Don't panic. Market is on drawdown. You are panicking. Why are you panicking? Are you the market pusher? You don't want the market to do whatever it wants to do? Come on. And if market wants to take you out, allow the market to take you out. And if market wants to eat your TP, allow it. Always allow your trade to run. Okay? And have a target. As a trader, you should always have a target. It's very important. I have a target. Okay? If you're telling yourself that, okay, my target for this week, if I should get this, I'm good, then stick to that. Let's stick to that.
Now $500 for my this week.
This week,
Yes, 500.
are you getting close?
You are not getting close, oh.
You know, say most of our trade never push. Are you on this one?
Yes, I'm on this one. I'm on jump. And I even I don't forget this recently I get what's it called? The account back. I lost the password.
Okay.
And I can't remember the password. This blue funded, my main login password. So I had to go and recover the password first, then I now log in back.
Okay.
Yes. I started just placing trade back on it.
Back on it now.
Let's see what they will do. Yes, let's see what they will do.
Okay. Some people are coming to my DM asking about them. I said they should not go for
I
it.
see that they've changed their interface. So also they've changed their interface on their site.
They've changed it.
They've changed their interface, yes.
Odi ọ̀tá wọn ò pé o.
They've added new PS to it also. Added all these B50, this thing, all those things.
Then
They've added it.
what about the rules? The lot size.
There's still the lost size is still there now.
Those people, I don't trust them. I don't trust them. They don't have the money.
It's just that I've already bought the account and the account is just there.
Yes.
Is either employee or I pass it.
Yeah.
One must happen.
Boss, you bless and not enter this one.
It's volatile for you, right?
Why?
This one, the stop loss now $10 for 0.01.
Okay.
The stop loss too long for me. I'm not getting money around.
How much are you willing to lose then? Like 5, right?
If you say I say like 5 or 4, I feel put down.
Well,
I be new person, so I'm not taking money like that.
let me see this 1 hour. But I wouldn't want you to tighten your SL. It's going to be risky. Don't tighten it. It's going to be risky. Where we put our SL is actually okay.
I look for another opportunity.
Which one are you now? Which one you did?
I just took that jump.
Is that one not the volatile now? Are you on this one?
If I just allow the thing push down a little bit.
No, I'm not on this one. I'm just coming now.
Okay, I just come here. Okay. You know there yesterday?
If you allow the thing to go down.
I've been not coming yesterday now. My day off.
Okay. But you know what this is, sir?
I'm just telling that's 75 because that's 73 I go push down. But you go first do our drawdown before you push down.
Before I push down, okay.
So you can wake up so that you can just so that the essence can enter from all.
Yeah.
That's 75. You go our drawdown first. I get one sack where I'm from, but I've been so also maybe not much. Let me see
V50S. Where's V50S? Yeah.
Ratio, you know, come on this break even for this.
That one, Abi. Me too. I listen about. I don't just want us to. I don't want make market come close to that our SL at all. I will go and check now. Let me go and check. So my brother.
You see that 75 that you can enter. Just allow it to get to draw down. Let the guy enter draw down first before you now enter.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's the only way you can enter.
I even said
you still push and let him. No, just go to that 75 first. You want to fill this place up first before you come down.
I fit tell limit. Maybe inside.
So if you can know, but
No, you see, you see, you
all
see.
I will advise you that you should just watch. Because you want to fill this place up, this rejecting place, you might want to fill it up.
I'm coming. Let me see the
But
1
let me
hour.
check how many minutes first. I'm coming. Let me check.
Let me look at 1 hour here. Because it depends what is actually going to. All this area now has been. Okay, market has not taken this eye out. Market has used this level. Let me see the 15 minutes. Market might not come back. Oh.
Opportunity again.
Market might not come back. We have a low here, lower high, lower low, lower high, equal low. So this equal low now, market is using this other block at the moment. Market is using this other block now. You see the way this guy rejects from it. It's using this other block now. So we might begin to have some drop.
It's better here.
So if you
Because
can,
if you check, if let's say you can check the MT5,
yeah,
you can check your MT5, you will see what I'm saying.
on MT5, right? So you can just take the risk.
It's better here. If you want to enter, it's better.
You can take the risk here. Put your SL
If you want to
above here.
Okay.
above the this thing.
Above
Yes.
the eye here.
Okay, let me try that.
But zero your mind say what you want to risk. Yeah, is taking it out too.
Oh, Allah.
Nah, he's taking it out though.
That is it now. I'm not a trader wey go tell you say enter now you go chop the TP. No.
As I sit on say the trade where we the thing they trigger. I just had to boost my account balance yesterday.
Yeah. So now back to this one. The reason why I don't want to remove this guy is this. You see this level where market come create for here is risky. It's very risky. Market can do this. It can come and give us a rejection, and it cannot create a long wick that can just take us out, and you see market not do this. So now the only thing I can do on this guy is if this guy take us out on this break even, all right, and he rejects from here, I see market push up, I see the confirmation, we're going to take the buy. You understand? So that is the only thing I'm waiting for. But I just hope that this guy should be able to do what? To reject from here. So I'm going to be looking at the level on 1 hour time frame now. Let me see the 1 hour. This is the 4x that we have. Let's go to 1 hour now and see. So we have a liquidity down there as well. Let me log this thing first. Lock. Okay. So we have this liquidity. Can you see this liquidity? And we have this nice support area here. And we have this what? Morning star. This nice morning star. So let us see, maybe market can just reject from here and push up. You understand? So let's see how it goes. Because market is consolidating from all of these areas for now. All right, it's finding it difficult to break this high. And with the way I'm seeing it, I'm seeing market breaking it. Okay, but I hope it's not going to take us out on this break even. You understand? So let's see how it goes. Then this step index, I want to know about this step index is if this step index should start the move. Hey, you go, you no go look back again. What is that? Why do you want to lose it? Eat what? Are you hungry? Yes. You didn't finish your food the other time. So I hope market can reject from this level. I don't want to open my mouth to tell you what I'll be making on this trade. You know, I told you I have an entry here. I took a sell from here. On the second trade, that is on the second, that is around, I enter around here. On my second account, I only took this one on one of my account before. My SL was this same area. So, and I'm using the same TP here. I'm using the same TP here. So market is coming back to my entry here now. And this, our main trade is on our little drawdown now. Just go and drop it. Drop it.
Boss, what is the trick of that thing? That
Which one? Just
no,
say
it's in
go
my
and
enter.
drop it. Go and drop it. What's it called?
That's 75.
Ordinary or S?
Honoring now.
Let's tap and share family. So here, let me show you. Market is pushing up, but it is you way at the pit now. Make market no call take you out. It's
I mean,
42.
man, calm down. Let me calm down.
You never enter, Abi. It's 42,800.
Uh,
You never enter,
man,
Abi.
first calm down. Never enter.
42,800. Let me go to that 50 million and let me see what it's trying to do there. Okay, you know what? Just look for any candle confirmation, anything from here. It might be bearish engulfing candle. It might be 3 inside down. It might be evening star. Anything that market forms now, use that one as confirmation.
Okay.
Guys, please, let's stop. Let's stop. Let's stop. Let's stop. Let's stop. It went to fill a 1 minute fair value gap. Okay. I think our jump want to be jumping. Please, let's stop. Let's stop. But I say our jump on the jump. Make it a jump. Oh. Make it a jump. Oh. Make it a jump. Oh.
Yes, I did this one.
You did this one.
I used 0.01.
Don't be taking sense. Is that what you said before? Look at the way you handle this thing.
build a strong. Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Like CO2, profitable mindset every time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give it. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade.
Guys, let's
Now
start.
come back.
Yeah, I go carry food now.
Okay. This jump, I enter with SL. I know put TP.
Okay, never put TP.
I just enter that time. I think I just enter.
Okay, now 300 be the TP.
I see the TP. Na empty 5. Na no green.
You know, green make you put TP.
I don't already enter already. I don't already start.
Eh.
Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a strong year. Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear.
I don't go final.
Season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give it. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Profitable mindset every time.
Hey.
But I don't go final. I don't put the TP.
Charts don't lie.
All right now.
Thank
Keep
you.
your vision
All right.
clear.
I wait for that. That 25 when I go work.
Okay, let's see.
Built a strong
It's rejecting back.
patience pays. Let your winners run.
Okay, it's rejecting back.
The race ain't over
Okay.
till the goal is won. Hold your faith,
No,
don't
already break
trade
that
with
other block.
fear. Breakthrough seasons getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset.
It's about to form Morning Star.
Every time.
Okay.
It's about to form Morning Star for you.
Then form and now have to enter.
Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know.
Please, let's stop. Let's stop. Let's stop. Let's stop.
Faith, don't trade with fear. Break
How
through
about this one? Enter this
seasons
one.
getting near. One smart
You know, go
move
fit
can
take am.
change your life.
Okay.
It's volatile.
Turn the pressure into priceless high. Like the profitable mindset every time.
So you can send your request, guys, if you have any question. So like I said, this guy, I hope this guy can reject from here so that we can be safe from this break even. So that we can be safe from this break even.
Charts don't lie. Keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a strong. Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time.
All right. So
Every loss is just a lesson.
since there's no much, let me open this BTC. That means I'll be closing my live by 12. Once it's 12, I'll be closing this live stream.
Okay.
Trust your plan. Let
Most
the
of our
market
trades,
flow. One good
so we
trade
can't
can
to
change it all.
there's no even pair to analyze that we want to take trade on now. So I'll be calling out this guy on a free Telegram group.
Breakthrough seasons
If this guy is giving us opportunity, this is BTC. If it's giving us opportunity, so this V50, I'm going to tell my guys to delete this order because we have 2 missed trade on this guy, and 15s. If this 15s doesn't trigger us before 10 p.m. today, we are going to delete this one as well. So I think that is all. So guys, please make sure you follow me if you haven't, and please go to YouTube, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. to my YouTube channel. Let us grow. Let us grow that page. Very soon, I'll be focusing more on that YouTube very, very soon. I'll be focusing more on this on YouTube very soon. I mean V50S, okay. Where's V50S here? For now, V50S, the only opportunity you have is if market can actually do some pullback. So if this guy can actually do some little pullback, take your sell. Just a little pullback, take your sell. You understand? Which is trying to do the pullback now. So anything from here, if you see rejection, take your sell to the downside. You understand? So that is that for. Look at V75. What happened to V75? There's nothing wrong with V75. We are on this V75, you're on sell. Okay. Market is still on our entry point. Alright. So we see how it goes at the end of the day. So family, I want to thank you all. Appreciate you. We're gonna do this again tomorrow by 9 a.m. Don't overtrade. Is that?
I'm coming live tomorrow by 9 a.m.
Is this your first time joining?
No, I join a live more than 5 times.
So you should know the routine now. We go live every day now.
Okay.
You should know the routine. So tomorrow 9 a.m. I'll be here again. Make sure you don't overtrade. Check your training plan. If you are good for the target for the week, make sure you don't trade again. Trade with what? Please, I beg you all. If you are watching Titan, if you are one of those guys that watch Titan, don't follow his steps. Any trader you see they come live on TikTok, they are just trading as if they are robots. Please don't follow them. It's going to damage your psychology if you are not careful. Because greediness go enter body. They fit take one trade and the trader goes in their direction. The next trade, you will not want to reason anything. You too will want to take the risk with them. Before you know, you will just blow your account. And most of these guys are not trading their real accounts. They can show you that this is a real account. It is not real. Most of them. Whether they make profit or they make losses, they are making money if you use the broker that they are using. The broker that they are using, whether you make loss or you make profit, they make money from their rebates. You know, I've worked with like 3 brokers and I was paid when I was working with these brokers. So it's not a bad thing if you work with any broker. I have plenty of brokers that are on my neck now that they want us to have a deal, blah blah blah, but I'm not showing interest. You understand? So these guys, what they do is they will just be taking trade as if they are the one pushing the market. You understand? So they will be praying that one trade should just go their way. If they go their way, all right, people will come to their DM. Please, I want to join your this. Please, first thing first, they will say, okay, register with this, use this broker, and that is it. That the little money that you have, if you deposit, if you blow it, it's making money from his rebates. So guys, be careful. If I tell you, be careful, be careful. If you not like, make no dey careful. Una go learn the hard way. God bless you. See you tomorrow. Cheers. Bye.